I just got a notification that said my award has been delivered from UPS. River, Fierce, check it out.
No way, it's finally here.
Let me see.
Dad, look,
Nice.
it's your play button.
Yeah, nice. From YouTube itself. Well, let's go open her up. All right, so we just got what I believe is our YouTube play button from Society Awards. You don't have to pay anything for these. They ship them to you after you reach 100,000 subscribers, which it takes about 4 to 5 weeks after you hit 100,000 subscribers to get them. So now we're at 135,000 subscribers. But let's open it up and see what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it open. Y'all ready?
Let's see it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh wow, that's good.
And where's the other one down here?
Bottom.
Okay. Awesome. Let's put that up for any of us to an eye out.
That's fine. Oh, there's nothing big. You just get the box.
They tricked us. Nah, just kidding. Let's see here.
No.
Pretty. So let's see what this says first of all.
Oh, come on, I want to see that.
This says, some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Susan, CEO of YouTube. Thanks, YouTube, and thank you, Susan. That's pretty cool.
I think I watched a video where Susan signed off on one of those videos.
Oh,
So here we go.
man.
Oh wow.
That's
That
pretty
thing's heavy duty.
nice. We got another little card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. It was inspected and packaged by Rick. Thanks, Rick.
Super duper job there.
What did you say?
But I want to go fast because his name was Rick.
Man. Beautiful. It's hard and silver. It says, presented to Adrenaline Rush Adventures for passing 100,000 subscribers. Check it out.
That is awesome.
That is
And look right here.
crazy.
That's
zoom in right here.
crazy.
See, I get real flat. You can see it's kind of raised right here. It's like 3D. Real pretty. This is like probably my favorite trophy I've ever got, and I've got a lot of trophies, but this one was a lot of work, and we've had our YouTube channel for what, about 9 years, but for first, several years, it was just kind of every once in a great while throw something on there that we happen to film. And the last few years we put a few videos on there, but we just got serious about this in September. September, October, November, December, January. So 5 months when we started getting serious about this, and now we've accomplished something pretty incredible, I think. What do you think? Check it out.
Let me see it.
Cool.
Hey, that thing's sturdy. It might be the only time I hold
Whenever
it.
I told them I was stopping my job to start being a YouTuber, they was all excited, but none of them thought we would get here to where we are this fast. Did you guys?
No.
Did y'all think before the end of the school year we'd be holding a silver play button?
No.
Pretty cool.
Wow, it's like a mirror.
That means you're probably averaging about 20,000 subscribers per month.
I think. Heavy, huh?
Yeah.
So where's it gonna go?
I don't know.
That's the hardest part.
But I do want to thank all of you guys. We couldn't have done it without you, so thank you for being there. Thank you for watching the videos.
Yeah.
Thank you for your comments, your likes, your shares, all of your support. It goes a long ways. We couldn't do it without you. And that's why we did a giveaway. I don't know if you saw the Facebook or the YouTube post, but we're doing a giveaway for a noodling trip, for a fishing trip. A $600 value, free, for helping us reach 100,000 subscribers. Well, thank you guys. We could not have done this without you. That's why we decided to do a giveaway for reaching 100,000 subscribers. You know, for all of y'all's dedication, for your likes, comments, follows, subscribes, everything you guys do. And yeah, we couldn't do it without you. So thanks for existing and thanks for watching the videos. And if you keep watching them, we'll keep making them. We have a blast making them. And you know, the more we get to know some of our viewers and like some of the things they like, we can kind of lean towards that. You know, if y'all thought something was funny or seen something interesting, we know to pay extra attention to that next time. So the more I get to know you guys and the more comments you leave me, the better this channel will be and the faster it'll grow. Anybody else got any words of wisdom?
Well, thank y'all guys for all the support and love y'all giving us. And what else?
We love y'all too.
Let me see.
And let us know who your favorite Adrenaline Rush character is.
We couldn't do it without you.
They don't have a favorite. We're all their favorite.
They could just do like I do.
We just want to say thank you guys for all the support and love you've shown us through this short journey so far. We've already came such a long way, 137,000 subscribers, not very easy to get. Keep hammering that subscribe button away and we'll keep doing our jobs in the creeks and rivers, getting dirty so you don't have to.
Yeah, we love having you guys along for the adventure though. That's the best part, is that nowadays with all the technology, we can take you guys out into these remote areas, out in BFE, out in the sticks, man. Some of these places we have to walk through jungles, walk through sinking sand.
Fight poison
Some of the
snakes.
places you can't get a four-wheeler or a boat to, so you're really, the only option is to hoof it.
Walk.
To walk your butt off. And so to be able to take a camera there, you know, these GoPros, these waterproof cameras, and be able to take it there and get you up close and personal with these monster fish, it's awesome. I'm glad we're able to do it. So, we recently just hit 100,000 followers on Facebook the day that this got here actually, so thank you guys for that, and we may be doing another giveaway for reaching 100,000 on Facebook. Also, you know, if you only watch us on YouTube or you only watch us on Facebook, you know, follow us on your favorite platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. We're on all four. And also, River has his channel, The River King. Jace has his channel, Off the Dock Outdoors. And Mom has her channel, Adrenaline Rush Travels. And Fierce has his soon-to-be channel that actually hasn't got anything on there yet, but it's about to. But Up the Creek with Fierce or something like that.
They should comment on the name, like we should.
Leave in the comments what you think Fierce's YouTube channel should be.
Yeah, YouTube helped us decide. Facebook started to give us a lot of good ideas. We made a post on there, and we were about to make him one, but we still just haven't decided yet what his name should be. Up the Creek with Fierce, Fierce Outdoors,
Fierce Adventures.
Fierce Adventures, Fierce versus Nature, Fierce and Wild,
Fierce of nature.
Fierce of Nature, anything like that.
Say, if you want to go noodling with me and the rest of these guys, go to my website and check it out or something.
Yeah, if you want to go on one of these trips, you know, we do offer a guide service. And also, if you want to try to get a free one, keep your eye open for the giveaway, and make sure you're following us on all our platforms. And
You can't win if you don't play.
Yep.
so, thank you, YouTube. Mwah. Mwah. Oh man, nice little mirror there. All right, again, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.
Goodbye.